Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Range Rover Velar Edition, finishing the very stylish Santorini Black. It's a 2-litre diesel, does come equipped with a black exterior pack and the stunning 20-inch gloss black alloys, working perfectly with the exterior styling. To finish it off, you've got the rear privacy glass. Showing you the practicality of the vehicle now, you've got a huge amount of boot space there, no trouble fitting luggage, shopping or prams in. Moving to the interior, I've got that light oyster leather finish, very comfortable to be in, certainly does look the part as well. Got the Meridian surround sound system sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle. Very well presented dashboard, and you've got the sliding panoramic sunroof adding a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. So taking a seat inside now, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your rear camera, which works in hand with your front and rear parking aid, really adding to the confidence when parking. Huge range of other features can be easily accessed with a simple touch. And moving down, you've got your heated front seats on there as well, and another touchscreen panel. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000.